so sorry because I know we've read this and read this before. There were only two things that really jumped out at me. There's some typographical errors which I won't take people's time with. But on page 28, with respect to the function of the ombudsman, I just think because, and I apologize if we discussed this before, but I felt like it should have been here, because that role is sort of a shared responsibility. I understand that it is an ombudsman responsibility, but when I read this again, just going through it, it really sounds like there's a particular person, and I just think for clarity, for the public understanding, that this is the office they come to with such a request, but that you wouldn't call up and ask for the particular ombudsman. It's that you would call the office and that responsibility would be shared. I would just recommend that in the first paragraph, where it says the function of the ombudsman shall be retained by the board and the principal. I guess what I would suggest would be retained by, members of the Board of Education staff, just something that makes clear that it's not just one individual.
Perhaps if we said that the function of the ombudsman shall be retained by the Board of Education and performed by staff in the Office of the Board of Education.
That'd be, if no one has any objection, I just thought that was clarification. Thank you.
That doesn't require a policy change, I'm guessing.
No,
because
it's always
been
policy that way. It's always in that. No, we changed the policy to make it a function, right? Right. Yeah, we did that. Right.
And then the only
so
other...
this would really reflect this. No, sorry.